Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Selfcut Academy. And today, we are going to teach you guys how to make a high fade self-cut. And for those who don't have 360 mirror, well, you can still use the promo code available in the description below. Okay, so now, let's begin.
Litfee's Barbershop.
So, first of all, well, if you want to cut the right side of your head, just take the clipper this way. This example is made for right-handed people, but if you are a left-handed body, don't worry, just make the opposite of what we are doing here. Now the left side. I advise you to return your right hand like that, so it's gonna be easier to rotate the clipper. After that, very simple, just going back and forth to cut whatever you want. My last little tip is with your left hand. You can use it to scratch up your skin or even to fold your ear. And of course, brush your hair. That's the key before beginning the tutorial. Step 1. The first cut line. We are using the clipper with no guard close. Basically, all you gotta do is draw the line from this point to the occipital lobe. Always take your time. We are not in a rush. We are saving money and time. With practice, you will be able to cut your own hair in 5 or 10 minutes. Trust me. Second step. With the one guard and this time open, we are going up about a finger. The third step is about erasing the first cut line. Let's take the one guard close. To be more faded, don't hesitate to take a lower blade, so no guard open should be okay, but be careful. You don't have to put a lot of pressure out there, so just go easy. And this is step number 4, to guard open and going up about a finger. So when you are going above and you take a bigger guard, the key is always try it open. This way, it's not risky at all, because you always begin with the bigger level of the guard, and if you want to go lower, just change the position of the lever, which is in the side of the clipper. Number 5. With the 3 guards, you still go up about one more finger. Number 6. Better with a precision trimmer. You clean all the bottom area. By the way, for those who don't know, the trimmer that I am using here is the Detailer from Wall, which is a very good product. I strongly recommend. Now the hairline, which is not complicated at all. I don't have any advice to give you about it. Easy peasy. The transitions between the sides and the top of my head, I always do them by hand for better finishes. And even the best barbers in the world would make it like that. For example, Diego Elisoraris from House of Fade. You can check his channel out, he makes it exactly like that, and I strongly recommend this method. And using your fingers like that is also a method which works perfectly. Number 9. We are almost done. We will cut the tips of your hair. The main rule is the following. When you catch your hair strands, catch them in this direction. Never catch them like that, otherwise it's not gonna be straight. Final step. If like me, you need to reduce the thickness of your hair, use the thinning scissors with the same technique as the previous step. So here we go, this is what it looks like, little after shot. Now don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, to follow us on Instagram, and that was
The Selfcut Academy
by Litfee's Barbershop.